Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. This is the arraignment docket. This is an opportunity for this court to inform you what you've been charged with, as well as to address certain preliminary matters, such as bond conditions, and the appointment of a public defender. When you hear your name called, please step forward to the podium, give me your name, date of birth, and address, and I will then inform you what those charges are. If this matter is a felony, I'm going to enter a not guilty on your behalf and set this matter for a preliminary hearing. The next preliminary hearing will be next Thursday at 1 o'clock. If this matter is a misdemeanor or a violation being a fine-only offense, you will have an opportunity to enter a plea yourself. In the Commonwealth of Kentucky, there are two types of pleas, guilty and not guilty. There is no such thing as no contest, like you might find in other states, such as Ohio. Before you enter a plea, you need to know that you have certain basic protected constitutional rights. First and foremost, you have a right to a public and speedy trial, a right to be represented by counsel. If you cannot afford counsel, one will be afforded for you. You need to request that public defender, at which time I will then ask you a series of quick questions to determine whether you are or are not eligible for a public defender. You have a right to confront and cross-examine any and all witnesses called by the Commonwealth against you. You have a right to put on your own defense, even take the stand in your own defense should you want to, but you do not have to. A right to use the subpoena power of this court to compel witnesses to come forward in your own defense. And in my personal opinion, one of your most important rights. For some reason, you're unhappy with any of my decisions or the outcome of your case, you have a right to appeal to a higher court. But by entering a plea here today, you need to know that you're giving up and waiving all of those protected rights. If you have any questions or concerns about any policy or procedure of this courtroom, or more importantly, those constitutional rights for which I went over, please do not hesitate to ask, and I will do my best to answer any and all questions that I can. It is very important for you to note, though, that all of these proceedings are being recorded, which means anything you say can and most likely will be used against you in this court of law. Thank you.